Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby and I'm Nigerian foodie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi foodie! Thank you for joining me. Without delay, let's jump right into the recipe of today. Just so you know, I am from Ijebu and today we're going to be cooking Egusi Ijebu, a simple and delicious traditional soup from Ijebu, Ogun State. Unlike other Nigerian egusi soups, Egusi Ijebu is typically prepared without vegetables and has a smoother, more consistent texture. The soup has been part of the Ijebu culture for many generations and it is often served at special occasions like weddings, festivals, and family gatherings. But first, today's shout out goes to Wilma Riley Jacobs. Thank you so much for loving my recipes. I appreciate your support, your likes, and comments. You can equally leave a message for me if you want me to give you a shout out in my next video. Now let's prepare our ingredients. It helps a lot when you prepare all you will be needing to cook with before going ahead to cook. It makes your cooking faster and easier. I'm using already washed pepper combo like Tatashe, Shombo, and some onions. With this, your egusi won't look white. It is important to prioritize the redness of the egusi for an attractive look. Then we have crayfish, which gives the egusi a better and unique taste. I mean, what is Nigerian soup without crayfish? Then we have red oil. Apart from its flavor, it will equally gives it an attractive look. We have our seasoning and the most important ingredient of the moment, which is our lemon seed, otherwise known as egusi. And this won't be blended like the regular egusi. You will see the magic in this method you are about to learn. Finally, we have our protein. It is important to know that you have the liberty to choose any protein of your choice. Therefore, I'm sticking to fish for today. So start by frying your lemon seed. Put a non-stick pan on fire. Once it's hot, pour in your egusi and start mixing for about 5 minutes on a low heat, just like the way you are seeing in the video, until you achieve a fine light brown color. You might ask why we fry the egusi before blending. This is because 1. We want to enhance its flavor because the heat will help release the natural oil in the seeds. Another is to improve the texture. Frying can help you achieve a smoother and creamier texture. And of course, the aroma. Oh my god, I can't start explaining this to you. Transfer into the blender once you are done frying. Add your crayfish, add your pepper combo, add water, and blend till smooth and nice. Put a pot on fire. Pour in the blended egusi. It is necessary that it will be thick, so add enough water to blend the consistency. Cover and let it cook. Once it's about 5 to 8 minutes, start adding your seasoning. Equally add the palm oil and mix together. I realized the egusi was too thick, so I added more water and cover for some minutes before adding my protein. After some minutes, our soup should be ready, but I realized it was too thick, so I added extra water. And tada! Look at it looking so nice and delicious. You can enjoy it with any swallow of your choice, but eba, especially cold eba, is the best as an Ijebu girl. I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy recipe for Egusi Ijebu. If you try this at home, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!